So guys, I found this place in Nish where you can do self laundry. I mean, actually it's not a self laundry. There are two ladies who can help you with the laundry and the drying, and it's much cheaper compared to what we have done in Belgrade. So you look out for this name of the shop here, and this is the area around. It's not very far from the main town center. So from the main town center, it's roughly say what 750 meters. So I'll just show you quickly from inside. So you go in, and then here you can see all the setup is there. Hello, hello. Bye bye. So they are like very nice ladies, and I requested them if they can give me today itself. It's 3 o'clock, and they said okay, I can come at 8 o'clock and pick it up. So yeah, now I can go and explore the city. Stay tuned. Good evening guys. So after dropping the clothes, I have come to the main street. This street is same as like in the Les Mikhailova street, and I'm sitting at a cafe and just happen to sit here, and this cafe has a very a good history, I mean, if I'll read it out to you. I mean, I'm gonna just show you on the camera so you can see the ambience, I mean, they have a good flower setup, and the tables and everything are pretty nice. It's all full right now. So the place is called Tramvaj Cafe, and so you can read I mean, actually in 1930 the tram started in Nish as well, but for some reason by 1958 all the trams were stopped, and then began the journey of this cafe. So this cafe was opened in the memory of Nish having trams, so it gives everyone a nostalgic kind of a feeling, and it was very well popular with all the people and all the citizens of Nish and the foreigners. So you can read out all. And if you look at the people, I mean, the famous people from the country and from abroad as well, artists, laws, ambassadors, governors, gladly drop by and like to return at Tramvaj. So looks like a very interesting place. I'm just gonna give you a quick glimpse, I mean, how beautiful the setup is, and it's quite full right now. So I've ordered for my same cappuccino. This is where the cafe is. It's next to the Tiffany, and this one is the cafe, Tramvaj. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my coffee. Stay tuned. So I just got my coffee and my cappuccino, and one thing I mean, what I've noticed in both the places, Alatipur and Nish, whenever they bring something for you, they always bring a glass of water, which for me it's very, very important. You should not be buying water when you go to a restaurant. It should be served to you I mean, as you arrive there. Only few of the places I have seen in Hong Kong who are offering water as soon as you get in. So yeah, I mean, I like this gesture. So guys, I have come to this Shanghai restaurant, and I'm very lucky to find it, because all these days when I'm in Serbia, I've been only eating breads and pizza. So I was looking onto the Google, and I found very good reviews about this restaurant. So this is the place. It's very close to my hotel ambassador, and then see, you get herbal drink, the Chinese herbal drink here. This is the entrance. It's on the first floor, so you may find it a little difficult, but you look for this sign, Shanghai, and I'll show you the name also in a while. So we have tables everywhere once you enter. Very nice bamboo decor. And here they have seating outside as well, but it's fully sold out right now. I mean, inside is empty, but outside everything is booked. So I'll just quickly show you how it is from inside. And this is what I have ordered. It's vegetable soup, rice, and some chicken with vegetables, and my favorite, chopsticks. The menu is very extensive. If you look at the menu, they have a lot of items. So lot of items in the menu. I mean, I hope in the taste is like authentic. So yeah, this is it. Thank you.